The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
Our society does better when we draw on these strengths that everyone has to offer. As long as a person will concentrate on what it is that they can do rather than what they can't do, they can get an awful lot done. When I was in law practice, I was diagnosed with MS. I had some anxiety or fear. Well, what if my client doesn't like that I'm in a wheelchair? Because I wasn't when they hired me. So I raised that with the general counsel, and he dispelled my anxieties in a second. He just basically said, no problem, we didn't hire you to run the 440. And I continued on that case and did well for them. I got involved in bigger cases. I got to be president of the state bar. At every turn, I just told myself, it's better to keep going, try to find a way to adapt to the problem rather than giving into it. As a judge, when my right hand stopped working, I started teaching myself to take notes with my left hand. And that's how I operated on the court in my first several years. When my left hand stopped working, then I decided I could use voice recognition software, or I could have an assistant to type up notes as I dictated them. Now, throughout all this, what I found was I could continue to work. I was able to hire superstar law clerks, and I've hired people with disabilities, and I'm able to get a good result in the work I'm doing.
Judge Gould?
I can see you all clearly and I can hear you. Having significant disabilities reminds you that everybody has problems and everybody has to adapt to them. In my case, it's just a more visible problem. Lots of people have problems that you can't see. It's something that holds them back. If they just work out a way to accommodate their problems and focus on what they're able to do, they can get a lot accomplished. They should never give up. I think if somebody's enthusiastic about what they want to accomplish, if they have a passion for it, they have a chance of achieving it. Every day I say to myself, I can adapt and carry on because I can.